Hello, my dear students. Hope you're fine and safe. Today, we are going to discuss the chapter The Modern Age in Europe Industrial Revolution. So, today we can explain what the term refers and what is the definition of industrial revolution and what all the things happened after the coming of industrial revolution. The term industrial revolution denotes all those changes that took place in the field of industry during the second half of the 18th century and the first half of the 19th century. So, the industrial revolution which took place in the 18th century, second half of the 18th century and the first half of the 19th century. Okay, so in which area in the field of industries it took changes. Okay, the industrial revolution took place or it got changes in the area of industry. We can check what all the changes the industrial revolution brought up. Until this period, goods were manufactured at home with hand. However, during the period of industrial revolution, the employer made his workers to use machines in his factory. So, before coming of industrial revolution or before industrial revolution, the people or the companies used to make the goods by hands. So after coming of industrial revolution or after the industrial revolution, the companies, the people came to use the machine. So the industrial revolution or during the period of industrial revolution, the employer made his workers to use machines in his factory. The coming of machines to handmade to machines, those process we can call industrial revolution, or from handmade goods to machine made goods. Simply we can refer from handmade goods to machine made goods we can call industrial revolution. And the employees were paid wages for their labor. The period marked a change from hard handwork to machine work and from domestic system to factory system of production. So the place of handwork or handmade system changes to the machine made and the domestic system changes to the factory of production. Okay, those changes brought up after coming of industrial revolution. In short, the industrial revolution is the name given to a series of changes that brought about a transition from production by hand to production by machine. So we have already discussed from production by hand goes to the machines. Okay, so from handmade goods to machine made goods. Okay, and by machine from small scale production to large scale production. So definitely there will be the scale or the companies, entrepreneurs will be increased or become more after coming of the machines, isn't it? So just like that, the production of hand to the production of machines become more. So small scale production or small scale company become more or large scale production increased. Okay, that's the difference in that. Okay, industrial revolution become a high part or important part in the coming or the modern Europe. The topic industrial revolution. I hope you have understood. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the groups or you can comment below. I will clear that. So we can continue in the upcoming videos about the remaining topics, capitalism and socialism. Okay, so thanks for today. Bye bye.